This will be a speed test between the HTC U12 Plus versus the Google Pixel 2 XL. Now the U12 Plus, this one's running the Snapdragon 845 and 6 gigs of RAM. Pixel 2 XL is running the 835 from last year, only 4 gigs of RAM. However, this phone is running stock Android Oreo. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Pixel 2 XL probably has the fastest boot up ever. And we are in! There's nothing in the background on both. So let's get started by tapping the messaging app. Even camera on both phones. And give this to the Pixel 2. Calculator. Even again. There you go. The clock on both phones. Start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. The Play Store. About the same, maybe the Pixel 2 XL by a split second. Click on Wish and leave that in the background. eBay on both phones. About the same again. Click on this MacBook Pro and leave that in the background. Baseball app, let's go. Give that to the U12. NBA app, go. And give that to the U12 again. Chrome on both phones. Click on Amazon. About the same performance. Scroll on this. Nice and butter on both phones. Go to the full site. And I don't know, pretty close, maybe the Pixel 2 XL. Couldn't really tell. Pinching to zoom. Nice and smooth on both devices. Mario Run. Loading on both right now. And give this to the U12. Tap to begin. And the Pixel 2 XL a little bit faster actually running the game. Leave that in the background. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Havana. Loading on both. And give this to the Pixel 2 XL. Tap to play, leave that in the background. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Frozen Shadows. Oh, I think we have a tie. Let's find out right now. And give the win to the Pixel 2 XL by literally a split second. Tap to play, leave that in the background. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. U12 Plus ahead. Will the Pixel catch up? No, it does not. And give the win to the U12 Plus. Pixel 2 lagging there a little bit. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the U12 Plus first. And what's gonna happen right now? And give the win to the U12. Pixel 2 lagging a little bit. Instagram, U12, and Snapchat, U12 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background. As you can see, now on paper U12 Plus has the advantage, having 6 gigs of RAM. Pixel only has 4, but let's see what happens. Instagram, good to go on both. CSR, paused and ready to resume on both. Pixel 2 lagging a little bit. Angry Birds 2, and ready to go on both phones. And again, Pixel 2 lagging. Temple Run 2, ready to resume. Subway Surf. And looks like we have a reload on the right. Ready to go on the U12 Plus. Mario Run. And ready to go on the left. Pixel 2 XL reloading. Browsing. Same place. Although Pixel 2 XL, something's happening here. NBA app. And reload again on the right. Baseball. Good to go on both. eBay. Same place on both, although took the Pixel a split second longer. The Play Store. same place, clock on both, running it in the background. The calculator, same place, camera, and you guys be the judges on that one. And the messaging app, faster on the U12. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you hashtag Team Pixel, rocking the Pixel 2 XL, the regular size Pixel, or the Pixel from last year? This phone rocking pure stock Android and arguably the best camera in a smartphone. Or are you an HTC fan rocking the U12 Plus, the U11, or even the U Ultra from last year, the poor use of space phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.